morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain a very important topic which is a part of our daily procurement system, which is called as sourcing. Sourcing is one of the key factors of procurement and purchasing system. An efficient sourcing can lead to optimization of overall procurement process in time, and which can help in saving cost as well as time. So basically, the process of selecting suppliers for purchasing goods and services is called sourcing. It can involve deep search, internet research, or performing a research based on knowledge and information. It can be for a branded product as well as for a non-branded product. Sourcing could be done for finding manufacturers, distributors, stockists, third-party suppliers, agents, or whatever source by which a product can be acquired. Mostly companies, nowadays look for the sources that can customize their product. Some of the requirements that come from the market of USA and Canada, most of the resellers or the retailers or wholesalers, they are looking for a manufacturer who can customize their product and who can print their logo, print their brand on the product, and help them in saving the printing cost and shipping cost. So I would say sourcing is a very key factor in supply chain process, and a sourcing which is done within the premises of country is called local sourcing, and the sourcing which is done on a global market is called international or global sourcing. Sourcing can really help a purchasing system to improve its efficiency. A good supplier can help save time, save cost, get the product in time. The quality of product could be good, the after sales service can be good, and hence it can help a company to gain extra profit by selling a product with keeping in mind a good margin of the profit. So a right source always helps company to flourish and improve its profit margin within no time. On the other hand, if the sourcing is not done efficiently, or if it is not given the importance which it should be, it can really lead a company's sales to decline. It can cause company to spend extra money. Sometimes the suppliers can do the default, they can deliver a wrong product. This can cause depletion of time, as well as it will cause a lot of effort to be involved. So the developing companies, the companies which have got a good procurement and purchasing or supply chain system, they always look to hire professionals in their sourcing, so that they get the information as per the exact requirement they have. Nowadays, there are many online tools available that can help different companies in doing sourcing. These tools can help a supply chain specialist to locate the exact supplier which he is looking for. And there are different online platforms as well, which includes madeinchina.com, DHgate, Alibaba, Global Sources, and there are many other tools which can help find manufacturers, wholesalers, resellers, retailers, EC21. And these tools are made by different countries in different regions, and they are available in different languages as well. So these tools have simplified sourcing a lot in the modern day world. If we talk about 10 years or 20 years back, the sourcing was a very tough task. It was really hard for a person sitting in India or Pakistan to look for a product in US or Canada, to locate its supplier. If it is a branded product, it was easy, but if it is a non-branded product and it needs to be manufactured or customized design is needed, it was really really very tough. And I saw many examples where companies ended up paying huge dollars, and at the end they resulted that they were scammed away. So the modern day and technology and the tools and online research and the other innovation in technology has helped to improve sourcing strategies to become a smart sourcing strategy, which can help the in evaluation of supplier, analyzing the supplier, integration of supplier, supplier selection, supplier support level check, supplier verification, financial check of supplier, his reviews with the previous customers, his delivery time, his shipping agent, and how do they ship the product, how much time does it take, what is the cost incurred. So in this, by this we can say that sourcing plays a very very important role in defining the overall procurement strategies. So this video explains the sourcing. In the next video I'll be surely explaining the that what is manufacturer, what is a distributor, what is a supplier, what is a vendor, what is a third party supplier, and what is a stockist. So I'll be giving a detailed explanation on all these types, that what are the types of supplier. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any question you can just write it down in the comments and I'll surely answer that. Thank you very much and have a good day.